Lightning McQueen would definitely approve of this one. This is red light, green light. Here, we're working on dribbling, agility, and coordination. Use 4 cones to set up your space and give each player a ball. Here's how it looks.
Ready? And green light.
When you call
Anywhere you
green
want
light,
in the
they
square.
dribble fast. Tell them to imagine they're their favorite race car as they zoom around the space. Gratuitous car sounds are highly encouraged.
I can't hear you, I'm old. Yellow light.
On yellow light, they slow down, using small touches to keep the ball close to their body.
I love how you're keeping the ball within your force field. That's great.
On red light,
Red light.
they stop with 1 foot on the ball, like this. Keep calling different lights at random as they move around the space. After a minute or 2, ask your players to suggest a new color and assign it a new action, like orange means swing your arms back and forth, or purple means dance your heart out. Repeat each color a few times after you add it to help them remember. This game is great for releasing lots of pent-up energy. Just call out lots of green lights. But remind players to keep their heads up to avoid collisions. It's not a demolition derby. Coaches, don't be surprised if your players can't stop the ball on a dime when you call red light.
Red light.
Red light, red light, red light.
Emphasize small touches to keep the ball close and to try using the sole of their foot to stop the ball. Remember, green means go, yellow means slow, and purple means whatever you want. Luckily, these cars run on water and orange slices.